So let's come on to your experience at IIM Bangalore. So how was the experience there? And if you could compare like the experience between the top premier institutes like IIT Kharagpur is a premier institute, IIM Bangalore is a premier institute. What is the main difference that you saw between these?
Yeah, so the difference between an IIT Kharagpur and IIM Bangalore were very stark. IIT Kharagpur, students are focused on engineering. We are not that polished, right? There are good things and bad things. Let me talk about good things at IIT compared to IIM Bangalore first. Good things involve how students are so, raw. They are so original, right? They have not got that those layers of work experience, etc. And the ideas which you will hear from an undergrad at IIT Kharagpur, they are quite original. They capture the zeitgeist of the current times, right? They are not a mimic of what others are saying or others are doing. They are pretty sincere. They are very, they are not about monetizing yourself or making money. They are some of the most smart ideas, frankly. And I'm sure today, when I interact with IIT Kharagpur students today, I feel they are probably some of the smartest students I've ever met. And when I say smart, I'm talking about IQ levels for sure, right? Like how students are able to do the math, how students are able to visualize various models, how students are able to understand various engineering problems, right? They are also very humble. Also, I find IIT Kharagpur students very humble, right? So these are some of the values which I saw. Like people come from diverse backgrounds. These are their first times interacting with students across India, right? And those discussions are pretty rich in terms of what of either it be politics, culture, literature, movies. I have had some of the best discussions of my life at IIT Kharagpur. So the depth of those discussions were very good, right? So these were the good things about IIT. Now at IIT Kharagpur, let me talk about the bad things or the cons. What I find is that students are not that polished or well-rounded. They are not having a good their EQ quotient can improve, their polishing, their grooming, the way they present their ideas in terms of communication, in terms of styling, in terms of social interactions. All of these are things. Probably probably a location can be a major constraint, right? Like IIT Kharagpur is not in a city like Bombay or Delhi. It again has its good points and bad points, but the bad point wise, the constraints of location, etc., lead to students not, being able to, they're not socially polished. Let's just put it this way. Now at IIM Bangalore, it was very different. Uh, uh, Also, one more thing about IIT Kharagpur is the infrastructure, right? So many students, a limited infrastructure. I'm not sure about current scenario, but in my times, there was only one badminton court, and that was being used by the inter IIT players. So the infrastructure is to student ratio was very bad, right? And I still feel it is very bad right now. And many students are not able to utilize gym facility or sports facility or swimming facility or whatever kind of facility you can say in terms of infrastructure is to student ratio is very poor, and that reflects, right? So students are while they are good in engineering, etc., they are not able to develop themselves all round, right? At MBA schools, I cannot comment about others, but at IIM Bangalore, what I found to my delight is that the infrastructure was very, good. It was excellent in terms of the way they have managed. The rooms are larger. People are not crammed up in a room. The food in the hostel is good. The sports infrastructure is very good, so that one person. So it can almost be 1:1. So you can always get a capacity. You can always get time to play some sport or the other in some infrastructure. So definitely the infrastructure wise, I will say I'll give much more marks to IIM Bangalore. In terms of polish, you again meet diverse kind of crowd. while in IIT you meet a diverse kind of crowd in geography, they have a similar outlook in terms of life, right? Like they're all very good in their IQ, and they are in general somewhat different in terms of social interactions. At IIM, it's very reverse. At IIMs, you will find some of the smartest people in terms of communication skills, social skills, EQ skills. You cannot say that I will rate IQ of IT undergrad students slightly or more better, because they're practicing that part much more, while and when you go to an IIM, you are already a professional in general, right? Like you have already been working for 3 years, 2 years, 4 years, right? So you are layered, you are more careful with your words. You are not so raw, right? So you are not ready to try new ideas, speak about new ideas. You tend to be more politically correct, right? So that is something which will find lacking in an IIM. So as an IIT KGP student, I definitely miss those raw conversations and original conversation at an IIM. I hope I have answered the question.
Okay, got it.
And of course, the gender ratio was much better. I think there were 30 to 40%, female is to male. Yeah.